Hello children, good morning. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Dear students, as you all know, today would have been the most important day of our school. That was the annual day. If things were normal, we would have been celebrating our 44th annual day this very day. But since past 8 months, this COVID-19 has changed the way we used to live. But I urge you all, don't get disheartened, be very resilient, and definitely one day we'll overcome this COVID-19 and we'll win against this. Dear students, as you all know, today India is celebrating the festival of lights, that is the Diwali. On this Diwali, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Please convey my best wishes to your parents, to your friends and relatives on this Diwali. Dear students, I request you all to contribute something to the protection of our environment. So, celebrate a green Diwali without any firecrackers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
My dear children, you are stars in the making. May each of you shine brightly. See yourself as a good human being and nurture the right attitude. Never forget that you should respect and show gratitude to them who helped you in your life and never allow the negative feelings. We pray God that He should guide the right path in which you can achieve your success, and I wish you all a happy and memorable Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello my dear children, a very good morning to all of you. You are so special and very close to my heart. You are pivot and my life moves around you. You are star of your life, you are star of your future, you are star of India. Make yourself shiny, grab a shining position in the world so that everyone will know you. Don't forget to pay respect and gratitude towards people, those who have helped you in any aspect. Be kind and fair to everyone. Nurture positive attitude. Never allow negativity to influence on your personality. Have a memorable day and make this day memorable by helping others. A very, very happy Children's Day. Have a great life.
Namaste and good morning, my dear students. You are braver than you believe, and stronger than seem, and smarter than you think. The only person you should try to be better than the person you were yesterday. In the last, great things are done by series of small things brought together. The quotation given by Vincent van Gogh. Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते। मैं अपने बचपन की खट्टी मीठी यादों को तरोताज़ा करते हुए बाल दिवस और दिवाली की आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आप अपने जीवन के लक्ष्य की प्रगति की ओर अग्रसर रहें।
Namaste to all. Children, don't lose your hope in this pandemic situation and give yourself another day and another chance. You will find your courage eventually. Don't give up on yourself just yet. I wish happy Children's Day and happy Diwali also to all my students. Thank you.
Namaste children. Children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Every child is special in a special way. So are you. You are the reason behind all our smiles and happiness. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a very happy Diwali.
Good morning children. Happy Children's Day. Today is your day. Enjoy your day. And children, you are the great hope of the future in the world. Thank you. Once again, happy Children's Day.
Namaste all. No matter how small you are the future of our nation. One day your tiny footsteps may lead the nation So be the cause of change, be the cause of inspiration, be the cause of motivation. Thank you all. I wish you a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Thank you all. Namaste.
Namaste dear students. Today is a special day which is dedicated to you. For me it is also a day of love. Even though we may be your teacher, but we have lot of things learned from you. Thank you for teaching me how to live life at its true meaning. From a child in me to a child in you. Happy Children's Day, and I wish you and your family happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
Everyone has a special in a special way. So you are. Children, you are the reason for our smiles and happiness in our life. So it is the day for the splashing fun and cheerful, joyful moment for everyone because it's Children's Day. I pray to God, may the love and laughter always stay on your face and fun-filled life ever. So I wish you a happy International Children's Day to you all. Thank you.
Good morning and namaste to all students. The sweetest period of everyone's life is their childhood. So on this special day, I wish a very happy Children's Day. May you have a bright future with full of happiness. God bless you students.
Hello my dear children. On this beautiful occasion of Children's Day, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children, this is the beautiful phase of your life. I would request you all to spend this phase of your life happily. Spend more time with your friends and have family. Be curious about all the little things around you. Give yourself space and time to spend this or enjoy these all small things around you. Play, learn and have fun to the fullest extent. Wish you a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
नमस्ते सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। और मैंने इस अवसर पे आपके लिए एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी है जिसका शीर्षक है बचपन। बच्चों का मन है कितना प्यारा, बहती है जिसमें प्रेम की धारा। सब अपने हैं इनके, कोई नहीं पराया, इनसा नहीं कोई दुलारा। फूलों की भांति हंसते हैं, तारों की भांति चमकते हैं। पल में रूठे पल में हंस दें, सबके जीवन में रस भर दें। बैर नहीं है इनके मन में, सबसे मित्रता करते हैं। हम बड़ों की भांति नहीं, बात बात में लड़ते हैं। मेरा मित्र है कह परिचय देते, गैर धर्म का नहीं है कहते। कहाँ से पाए ऐसा मन, बच्चों का सा निर्मल मन। पुनः यदि हम बच्चे होते, मन के कितने सच्चे होते। अच्छा होता भूल जाते हम धर्म भाषा और जाति बंधन। मीठी मीठी बातें करते, निज कहते निज हंसते। कभी पंछी बन उड़ जाते, कभी तितली बन इतराते। यदि कभी प्रभु मिल जाए मुझको, उनसे ले लूं यही वचन, हे प्रभु फिर से लौटा दो बचपन, फिर से लौटा दो बचपन। इसी के साथ मेरी कविता समाप्त होती है। और फिर से एक बार मैं आप सभी को बाल दिवस और दीपावली की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। नमस्ते।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों के लिए प्यारा सा गीत। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग के आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो सारे जग को लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए। झगड़ा जिनके साथ करें, अगले ही पल फिर बात करें। झगड़ा जिनके साथ करें, अगले ही पल फिर बात करें। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं। इनका भोलापन मिलता है सबको बाह पसारे। बच्चे मन
Happy Children's Day to all of you and happy and safe Diwali.
नमस्ते। बाल दिवस के अवसर पर मैं एक छोटा सा कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। बच्चे मन के सच्चे दिल के अच्छे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे दिल के अच्छे, जग के तारे माँ के नारे, जग के तारे माँ के नारे। देश की शान परिवार की जान, देश की शान परिवार की जान। खुशियों के भंडार सबका आदर, खुशियों के भंडार सबका आदर। सोना चांदी तुम पे कुर्बान, सोना चांदी तुम पे कुर्बान। बच्चों तुम सब शिक्षकों के अभिमान, तुम सब शिक्षकों के अभिमान। सबको बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day, my dear students. I know being a student is not that easy, but trust me, this is the most beautiful phase of one's life. So enjoy this to the fullest. And remember one thing, that learning is your superpower. So keep learning, keep growing, give your best. Whatever you do in your future, you will get success in that. Have a wonderful life. May God bless you all.
Students, happy Children's Day. In this Children's Day, take oath that you will not turn back, because students are the future generations of our India. Thank you.
Good morning, students. And you are also so special for the country, and you are inspired of our nation. So all of you make your future good, and happy Children's Day and happy and safe Diwali.
Children, happy Children's Day. On this special day, it is specially meant for you people. I like to state one important thing. Time and age are the most precious and very important things. Time once gone can't come back, and at the same time, age once gone can't come back. So, in this prime and tender age of yours, try to fill yourself with right thoughts, right action, right desire, and right knowledge. Once you are filled with these beautiful things, you will start imparting light, and the day will come when your light will shine in this world. Finally, before winding up, I want to say one thing, one small quote stated by Mother Teresa. She says a very beautiful quote: God doesn't require us to succeed, He requires us to try. So always try your best to do the good and to do the right, and success will be at your doorstep. Thank you, children. God bless you all, and happy Children's Day once again.
Children are the most beautiful creature of God. You are loved by one and all. You are the future, the hope for brighter tomorrow. Wishing you very enjoyable, happy Children's Day and Diwali.
Good morning, everyone. I wish you a happy Children's Day. My dear children, remember that you all are stars of making. You shine every time. Always have a positive thinkings in your life. Feel the positiveness in your life. Dear children, you may have number of obstacles in your life, but think those things as a stepping stone in your life. And always try to grow. Nurture yourself with good attitude, right attitude. And we love you. We are really missing you in this pandemic situation. But still, I wish you a very, very happy Children's Day, and we pray for you, to your optimistic thinking, for your growth, and always be a child. Don't leave your child thinkings or childiness. I wish you a happy Children's Day once again. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Childhood is a wonderful gift of life. I wish all of you will have a wonderful childhood, and these memories you will cherish forever. Love you all, children. God bless you. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day, and of course a happy Diwali. God bless you all. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.
बाल दिवस के अवसर पर आप सबके सामने एक स्वरचित कविता जिसका शीर्षक है संधान प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। प्यारे बच्चों, तुम सबके नाम बाल दिवस पर ये पैगाम, खिलो कमल से जैसा भी आधार मिले, अडिग रहे विश्वास तुम्हारा, जैसा भी किरदार मिले। पार्थ बनो परमार्थ के लिए, पार्थ बनो परमार्थ के लिए, ऐसी कर्म कमाई हो कोई लालसा निमित्त स्वार्थ की जिसमें नहीं समाई हो। बीत गई सो बात गई, बीत गई सो बात गई, न व्यर्थ समय बर्बाद करो। संधान चक्षु मीना का संभव, एकाग्र चित्त हो ध्यान धरो। धन्यवाद।